Your skincare routine might actually be damaging your skin without you even realizing it. A lot of people invest in good products, follow trends, and still don't see results. And the reason is often not what they're using, but how they're using it. In this video, I will walk you through 5 very common skincare mistakes that could be ruining your skin and what you should do instead. Mistake 1. Using too many products. One of the most common skincare mistakes is using too many products at once. It's easy to think that more products will give better results. But in reality, overloading your skin can do more harm than good. When you apply multiple serums, creams, and treatments together, your skin can become overwhelmed. This can lead to irritation, redness, breakouts, and even damage to your skin barrier. Your skin doesn't need 8 to 10 steps to stay healthy. In fact, a simple routine is often more effective and much easier to maintain. Instead of layering multiple actives, focus on a few essential products that suit your skin type. A basic routine with a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen is already a strong foundation. You can always add targeted treatments slowly if needed. But remember, more is not better when it comes to skincare. Mistake 2. Skipping sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen is one of the biggest mistakes you can make in skincare. Even if your routine is perfect, not using sunscreen can undo all your progress. Sun exposure can lead to premature aging, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and long-term skin damage. And the most important thing to understand is that sun damage is not always immediately visible. It builds up over time. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can still affect your skin. That's why sunscreen should be used daily, regardless of the weather or whether you're indoors or outdoors. Using sunscreen consistently is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your skin and maintain healthy results from your skincare routine. Mistake 3. Overusing active ingredients. Active ingredients like retinol, exfoliating acids, and strong treatments can be very effective, but only when used correctly. A common mistake is using these ingredients too frequently or combining too many of them at once. This can lead to irritation, sensitivity, dryness, and damage to your skin barrier. When your skin barrier is compromised, your skin becomes more reactive and prone to breakouts and redness. Instead of using actives daily, it's better to start slowly. For example, using them 2 to 3 times a week is often enough, especially for beginners. Give your skin time to adjust. And avoid mixing multiple strong actives unless you fully understand how they interact. Skincare is not about intensity, it's about balance and consistency. Mistake 4. Not moisturizing properly. Many people skip moisturizer, especially if they have oily or acne-prone skin. But this is actually a mistake. Moisturizing is essential for all skin types. When your skin lacks proper hydration, it can become dehydrated, which may lead to increased oil production as your skin tries to compensate. This can make your skin feel more oily and lead to clogged pores. Using the right type of moisturizer helps maintain your skin barrier and keeps your skin balanced. If you have oily skin, you can choose lightweight, gel-based moisturizers. If you have dry skin, richer creams may work better. The goal is not to avoid moisturizer, but to choose the right one for your skin. Mistake 5. Expecting instant results. One of the most overlooked mistakes in skincare is expecting immediate results. Skincare takes time. Most ingredients need consistent use over several weeks to show visible improvements. For example, ingredients like retinol or treatments for acne and pigmentation do not work overnight. When people don't see quick results, they often switch products too frequently or give up on their routine. This disrupts the process and prevents the skin from adapting and improving. Consistency is far more important than constantly changing products. Instead of looking for quick fixes, focus on building a routine that you can follow regularly. Real skincare results come from patience and long-term care. In the end, at this point, I would like to say that skincare is not about using the most products or following every trend. It's about understanding your skin and giving it what it actually needs. Avoiding these common mistakes can make a significant difference in how our skin looks and feels over time. Just follow my advice and focus on a simple routine, use products correctly, and most importantly, stay consistent. It is my own experience that healthy skin is built gradually, not instantly.